Hello everyone, today we are gonna be unboxing and reviewing the StoryBook Thomas Diecast for the 80th anniversary of Thomas and Friends. I got this at Toys R Us about 2 weeks ago and it was the only one in stock. Surprised that I got it. Now let's unbox this bad boy. Out of the packaging, he looks so good and has a lot of detail. The diecast packaging is actually really good. Impressive. Earl vibes. The back in the packaging is not exciting, just the copyright stuff and stuff. Blah blah blah. We don't care about that. Now taking a look at the face, it's actually really good, but there's still some stuff left out like the actual Railway Series Thomas, but it's still good. Buffers also have nice detailing. It's like scratched out or something. The side here also looks really good. Some shading or stuff. On this side, it's still really good and has some shading and stuff, just like the other side. His back lamp isn't painted white still. The top here is still fine and some detail there. Now let's start comparing this to other stuff. We're gonna start comparing this to the Railway Series Play-Rail Thomas, but the Railway Series Play-Rail Thomas is somehow better. Now comparing this to the normal push-along or metal collection Thomas, they're the same model but they both have different detailing. And that's about it for the review. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios, loco amigos!